Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address on Krystal Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To find your wallet address on Krystal Wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Krystal Wallet application. Verify your access and the home page of Krystal Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Krystal Wallet's account. Click on Manage Wallets option. You can see your wallet address of Krystal Wallet displayed on the screen. This is how you can find your wallet address on Krystal Wallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.